Vectara's reg system API is very straightforward to use. You do not need to use any libraries of us, actually, because we set up the endpoint, and you can use the RESTful API or the regular HTTP request to make requests to it. So in order to use Vectara's reg system, the first thing you need to do is you go to your console. You register an account at Vectara, and you go to your console. You get, we'll give you a bunch of credentials, okay, those kind of credentials. So I don't want to show you here because I import them from another file. So you get a bunch of credentials, then you can start using it. The first thing you do is you need to set up a new set of credentials, which will expire after 60 minutes, because we do not want people to hijack your credentials and you end up paying the bill. So the first step is you get a bunch of bear or JWT tokens. It's very easy. Just enter your credentials, send them to our server. We'll give you a token. So you can consider this JWT token as a temporary password and it will expire after 60 minutes. So that would be the token you communicate with our server for data management and for query, summarization generation, those of that.